Hi there, you're watching Cluster Repairs UK. Today, we're diving into another detailed repair description for the VW sat-nav touchscreen failure. Model versions MIB and MIB STD2 and are found in models such as Golf, Sharan, Tiguan, Passat, Jetta, Caddy, Beetle, Scirocco, Amarok, CC, Transporter T6 and Crafter. These sat-nav units come in single or dual memory card slot versions and may or may not include a CD player. Common faults repaired with this service are a touchscreen that's erratic or very slow to respond, a touchscreen that's failed completely, or one that's heavily marked or cracked. If your screen is delaminated or bubbled, we recommend using our complete display replacement service. Here you can see an example of a faulty display suffering from touchscreen failure. At Cluster Repairs UK, we offer a full touchscreen repair service backed by a lifetime warranty. And now, following a complete repair, the screen is fully restored, responsive, accurate, and operating just as it should. Established in 1986, Cluster Repairs UK operates from 2 UK locations and is proud to offer award-winning customer service. With decades of experience, we are a name you can trust. If you require any further information or assistance, simply click the Ask Seller a Question button below. We're always here to help. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in-store, or arranged as a while-you-wait appointment. Thank you for watching. We look forward to assisting you with your repair.